Minute walk every day, and while you walk, smile. Sit in silence for at least 10 minutes each day. When you wake up in the morning, remember your purpose in life. Live with the 3 E's: energy, enthusiasm, empathy, and the 3 F's: faith, family, friends. Spend more time with people over the age of 70 and under the age of 6. Dream more while you are awake. Try to make at least 3 people smile each day. Realize that life is a school and you are here to learn. Pass all your tests. Problems are simply part of the curriculum that appear and fade away like algebra class, but the lessons you learn will last a lifetime. Smile and laugh more. It will keep the energy vampires away. Life isn't fair, but it's still good. Life is too short to waste time hating anyone. Don't take yourself so seriously. No one else does. You don't have to win every argument. Agree to disagreements. Make peace with your past so it won't mess up the present. Don't compare your life with others. You have no idea what their journey is all about. Burn the candles, use the nice sheets. Don't save it for a special occasion. Today is special. No one is in charge of your happiness except you. Forgive everyone for everything. What other people think of you is none of your business. Time heals almost everything. Give time. However good or bad a situation is, it will change. Your job won't take care of you when you are sick. Your friends will stay in touch. Get rid of anything that isn't useful, beautiful, or joyful. The best is yet to come. Believe. No matter how you feel, get up, dress up, and show up. Do the right thing. Call your family often. Each night before you go to bed, complete the following statements. I am thankful for... Today I accomplished. Remember that you are too blessed to be stressed. Enjoy the ride. Remember that this is not Disney World, and you certainly don't want a fast pass. Make the most of it and enjoy the ride.